Busy.
Basic kumakain na.
Ano daw masasabi mo kay Maris?
Maris. Umano ka. Lumaban ka, Maris. Masasabi ko lang, marami ako masasabi. Hindi. Yun lang naman. Ako kasi I'm into a position na we are just human, we commit mistake, and we learn from that, and we move on.
But
And regarding about sa yung cheating or something like that, again, I do understand for the other side, like yung si Jam, that she posted online and she is angry, she feel down and she is stressed, whatsoever. But it's very immature to post that one online because now social media is really, really crazy. So she should not post that online. Rather, she tried to reach out Maris and they talk what's happening around.
what's really going on?
Yes. So yeah, that's the thing. And so what's happened is what happened. Let's move forward. Maris already say sorry and apologize. So that's all. But the damage is done. So all we have to do is
Move on.
laban lang, move on, and pray for everyone.
Si Maris Racal ba yung tinutukoy mo, Bessie?
Ay, hindi ba pala? Hindi pala si Maris Tracal yun. Si Maris Olivia Lamasan. Yung kaibigan ko, Diyos ko, mali
Oo,
pala.
hindi ka Maris Racal to ah.